Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you? Okay, in today's videos, really quickly, you know Coach is killing it this spring and summer. They have that beautiful Kiss Lock handbag. Did you guys see it? Did you guys see it? I'm gonna drop some photos so that you can see what I'm talking about. This was on the Coach runway for their spring summer collection of 2025. It is a fabulous bag. It is a humongous bag, and it has that soft, supple leather inside and out. The price point, to me, for that size bag, the price point is on point, as we say. But for some of us who maybe don't feel that particular bag fits our body frame, or that is something you will carry every day. So if you haven't seen it, take a look at it. It is on the Coach website. At the time I did look at the Coach website, it was out of stock. It comes in colors. Check it out. If you want it, go get it. But I have an alternative for you. For those of you who feel that is not for you, I have a Kiss Lock bag from the Amazon. I have them in 3 different colors. This is a $20 bag. $20, $19.98, $19.95, something like that on Amazon. I will leave the information for you guys either in the comment or in the description box. And before we get started, guys, please remember, it's very, very important. I know some of you don't do it, but it's very important. That thumbs up. Click that thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel. That helps me put out more videos. Okay, here we go. So this first bag, this is the Kiss Lock bag. This bag is from Amazon. This is a Kiss Lock bag. Actually, it's not Kiss Lock. What do they call? Let me see what they call this bag. I think they do say something about Kiss Lock. They say, yes, they do. They say this is the woman's classical lock. If you could see, that's what it says here. It says Kiss Lock. We're going to take that out for you. This came in this beautiful caramel color. Look at that color, guys. It's beautiful, beautiful bag. This is faux leather, of course. You know, it's faux leather. It's from the Amazon. You're not getting no leather bag for $20 for the most part, a fully leather bag. It has, the difference is it has the line in the front. The original does not have a line down the middle. It's just one piece of gorgeous leather. But what you do have, you have the beautiful Kiss. I love it. Look at that Kiss Lock on there. She's kissing, guys. I love it, love it, love it. On the back of the bag, you have this beautiful brass that you can, if you don't like the chain, I would suggest you just kind of get a tool and you could take that off. There's the chain there. You'll have the zipper compartment there in the back. She zips. You have that part. The depth of it is not that deep. You can't, I don't think the width is large enough for you to put a phone or anything like that in there. But you do have the zipper. Carry this either, you carry it in the front where you have that line down the middle, or you could have it with the zipper part, and it can go underneath your arm. You could also carry it, chain, cute little chain. It's like a brass kind of color, if you could guys see that. But the Kiss Lock, I'm loving this. Look at and this is metal, and it's all around the bag. There's the bag there. I'm trying to give you a 360 on the bag. Really, really nice. Let's open her up and unstuff her. Inside, you do get an alternative strap. You do get a shoulder strap with this bag. The shoulder strap. Now, the shoulder strap is, she's a little cheap looking, guys. I have to admit, she is a little cheap looking. She's, she's, do what you want. But also, remember, guys, it has this kind of lock there, so you can interchange the strap. Like if I have a better strap or a different strap that you have in your personal collection, you can change out this strap. That's the clasp there for this particular strap. But it is yeah, y'all get my drift. Y'all get, see what I'm saying? Y'all kind of get the drift. But I wouldn't say you couldn't use her. I'm gonna attach it to the bag and let you see what that looks like. So we're going to unstuff her. We have some stuffing in there. And the inside is not the best. You see the inside is it's very, very thin. It has it's like a plastic coating somewhat, but it's not cloth, put it that way. But who gonna check me, boo? Who looking inside my bag? Don't be looking inside my bag. You also have the zipper compartment. Only person that should be inside your bag is you and your boo. That's it. That's it, and that's all. Sometimes not even your boo. But anyway, you do have this zipper compartment there that you guys can see. It's a small zipper. You also have on the other side, you have a compartment here. You may not could see it. There's a compartment here. They're really small. You could probably put a lipstick or your hand sanitizer in there, or your earbuds. You could put that in there. But carries a lot. That's what I like about this bag. You could put a lot of things. You could get your phone, your keys, your makeup, your perfume, a little tiny notepad. You get a lot in this bag. That's why I do like that. You hear the claps on that? Now, what I do like, the metal on this is solid. It's not plastic, it's metal. Now, it is faux leather, but this claps on here is amazing. Look at that. You guys hear that? And look at this lock on there. Really, really nice. Look at that, guys. Can't beat it for $20. And look, she's squishy too. She's squishy, but she faux. She's not the genuine leather, but she's squishy. You want to squish her? You can squish her. Look at that. And then she comes back into, because it is faux leather, she comes right back into shape. There's a little piece of cardboard or something here on the bottom to retain its shape. But you could get a lot in this bag. You could squish her up if you show you the different colors. I also got this bag in for $20, guys. Come on. Come on. It's $20. Look at that. I think it's a gorgeous bag. Shoulder strap on for you guys to show you what I mean. Now, unfortunately, you can't, if you don't detach this permanently, you would have to, let me see how does this work. If I put the chain inside, because it doesn't detach for you to, no, that's that one. Let me see. Oh, she'll close, but you'll leave a little gap. It doesn't come off, so you have to leave the chain on with the shoulder strap. I'm going to attach the shoulder strap now. Guys, if you haven't already, click the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, please, so I can bring you more videos, and the YouTube will show my videos. This is what it looks with the adjustable strap. Now, the strap, I must say, you can adjust it. It's really long. So for all body types, she's going to work for you because, as you can see, it's doubled. And look how long it is. Look how long it is, guys. So when you adjust it, you just pull that tab there. It's going to be much, much longer, as you can see. See, you just slide that up there and make it crossbody. And look at the length. So you can, let me put you all in frame. You get a lot of length, guys. You get a lot of length with this strap type as a crossbody bag. So I think for the price point, the faux leather is really, really nice. Like I said, you could wear it with the shoulder strap, or you could just wear it with the chain here, or you could take the chain off completely. That's the back of the bag. Really cute. For $20, guys, I would say go get her. You could wear it with the chain here. You could put the chain towards the back. She's squishable, same kind of concept. Now, this is not plastic. This part is metal, as you can hear. So I do like that. At least I believe it's metal. Don't quote me. It feels like metal. Now, look at this beautiful color. Look at that. Look at this beautiful red color. I'm going to put the exact colors of what, because, you know, even though we're saying red, the vendors may call it something else. This is such a beautiful apple red to me. It's more of an apple red than a cherry red. And here's the back of that one. I'm not going to unstuff her. You know what she looks like. You get the beautiful chain detailing there. You get the beautiful kiss lock. I think she's beautiful. Look at this. And also, it could be like an orangey red, but in person, on camera, it may come up a little orangey red, but it's more to me of an apple red color. If you guys can see the bag for the price point is made very, very well. Inside your bag, as you can see there's your shoulder strap. There's your chain that you can detach if you like. Really, really cute. So you have that color. One more color I want to share with you guys. They come wrapped in a little thin dust bag. This one is in black. And there you go. Really, really nice. Here's the back. I'm bringing her up close. And this one is the same kind of chain there. Can you guys see the chain detailing there? It's like a brushed, old-fashioned, hardened, coated. And that's what I like about it. It has the chain as well. It has the line down the middle. Really cute. It also comes, of course, with the shoulder strap inside the bag. As you can see there's a shoulder strap there that's falling out. You see the lining there is really, really thin. You have your zipper on the side. You have those two compartments there. It's a very deep bag. You don't have to worry about not putting your things that you carry on a daily basis in this bag. It will hold all your daily essentials that you need. Really, really nice bag. So, guys, this is not a paid sponsorship or anything like that. One day, maybe I will have that. I purchased these bags on my own. Seen them on the internet because I was looking at that Kiss Lock Coach bag. That bag is absolutely gorgeous. So I decided to try these 3 different colors. So you have this color here. You have your cherry red. And you have the awesome black. So guys, if you like any of these, go ahead and make your purchase if you will. If you don't, just take a look at the video and enjoy it. see the comparison of what's coming out for spring and summer. The Kiss Lock bag is going to be a hit for this summer because that seems to be the running thing. Do what you want to do. Get whatever size that you want. I want to thank those of you who stayed to the end and you watch my videos to the full. I really, really appreciate you guys. Please make sure, again, subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Share my videos. I appreciate each and every one of you. Stay tuned for the next video. Love to you all. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.